Hello guys, it's me Ed and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, it's 8 p.m. It's time to make a dinner. We are gonna make a steak. So watch with me. So first we have to cook the lamb cake. Rian is clapping hands with Mehmet. It's time to make a vegetable and cook some hash brown. Look at the night view. Did you like me? Tell me in the comments. Now it's time to make a sauce. It's so fun to cook outside and eat outside. It looks so yummy. Our steak is ready. Have a look. Look at the fairy lights. They're so beautiful in every fairy lights. Let's make our plate. We take a piece of lamb steak and some carrots. More carrots, some hash browns, some sauce, our plate is ready to eat. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. So we are watching cartoons and Rian is drinking some milk. And we love to watch cartoons and Rian is drinking love milk. And again our tea time. My mommy is making tea all of us. These guys are playing golf. Oh my god, she's doing so fast like Sonic. It's so dark, it's time to sleep, I think so. These guys are still playing cards. I think it's nighttime. We're gonna sleep. Good night. Good morning, guys. We are in the cabin. We're gonna show you the outside views. It's so beautiful, right? Do you guys like natural YouTube? Tell me in the comments below. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. My hair is so messy. My mom is making it better like hairstyle. So lovely. Please. It's time for a break. Rest. Let's make a break. Rest. So my daddy's making eggs. Egg bread. It looks yummy. Daddy. It's time to make some bread egg. she's sitting by herself and she knows how to sit. Look, Daddy, she's playing with Daddy. So guys, we're going home and we can see you next video. Let me show you a water so beautiful. Do you like the bubbles and the middle waves going? I think it's a really big lake, not a little one. So we arrive, we gonna leave the boat and then catch the bus. Wow, it's amazing. It's a long route to go back home. I'm gonna show you the whole view outside. Please like and YouTube channel. See you next video. Bye.